Collecting feedback and auto-syncing it with your CRM can save you a ton of time, but it can be tricky if you're not using the right system. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in under 3 minutes, so you can improve your customer experience and keep all your data organized. Stick around because I'm also sharing a special free trial for the software we'll be using, so make sure you don't miss out. First, let's talk about why feedback matters. Collecting feedback gives you valuable insights into your customers' needs, but manually entering this data into your CRM is time-consuming. That's where automation comes in. With the right tools, you can collect feedback and sync it directly into your CRM with zero extra effort. It's that easy. Now, I've tested several software options for collecting and syncing feedback with CRMs, but the one I'm recommending today works seamlessly and gives you a really smooth experience. You can collect feedback through various channels, whether it's surveys, emails, or forms, and automatically sync that data into your CRM without any extra clicks. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. Set up your feedback form. Most CRMs offer an integration option for feedback collection. Whether it's a survey tool, customer satisfaction rating, or just a simple comment box, you'll need to connect this tool to your CRM through a simple integration. This is where the software we'll be using today shines, making the connection quick and easy. Step 2. Choose how you want to collect feedback. You can send out email surveys, have a feedback button on your website, or even use SMS. The software we're using makes it easy to set up any of these options. Choose the one that best fits your business and customer needs. Step 3. Automate the sync. This is the game changer. Once your feedback form is set up and you've collected some responses, the software will automatically sync that data with your CRM. No manual data entry needed. The best part? You can even set up triggers based on the feedback. For example, if a customer leaves negative feedback, you can automatically notify the support team to reach out and resolve the issue. Step 4. Review and act on the data. With all your feedback synced into your CRM, you can easily view trends, track customer satisfaction, and act on any insights right away. This automation saves you hours of manual work and keeps your data organized in one place. So the key takeaway here is that collecting feedback and auto-syncing it with your CRM doesn't have to be complicated. With the right tools, it's an effortless process that helps you save time and improve customer satisfaction. Let's quickly recap. 1. Set up your feedback form. 2. Choose your feedback collection method. 3. Automate the sync to your CRM. 4. Review the data and take action. Before you go, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've linked in the description below. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so don't miss your chance to try the software we've used in this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.